Nature's Miracles. Once There Was a Tadpole, written by Judith Anderson and illustrated by Mike Gordan. Nature's Miracles. Once there was a tadpole. Springtime is fun. There are many new things to look out for. I look out for frog spawn. Frog spawn is a special name for frogs' eggs. The best place to look is in still water near a pond or riverbank. Each egg has a ball of jelly on the outside to protect it. The eggs stick together. If they didn't, they wouldn't last very long. Oh, dinner! My sister wants to take a little bit of frog spawn home. But we don't take it from the river. We take it from our friend's backyard pond. Weed? Just a few eggs and lots of pond water. After a few days, we see a change. Each dot gets bigger and grows a little tail. It wiggles its tail very hard to push its way out of the jelly. It eats some of the jelly too. The dot has become a tadpole. At first, the tadpole is just like a fish. It breathes underwater through little slits called gills. Yippee! But after 2 or 3 weeks, its gills disappear. Eventually, the tadpole must swim to the surface to breathe in air. Just like we do. Tadpoles need to eat in order to grow. They use their tiny lips and teeth to nibble on plants in the water. They need plenty of food. They also need clean water, warmth, and shade. When the tadpole's body is the size of a fat pea, 2 bumps appear on its sides. Soon these bumps grow into back legs. Wow! Then 2 more bumps appear. Guess what these will grow into? Front legs! I'm so clever. Now the tadpole is changing quickly. First, its tail gets shorter. Its eyes start to bulge, and its mouth gets wider. It starts to eat insects and little worms. Tasty. 12 weeks after hatching, the tadpole's tail has vanished altogether. It looks like a little frog. Now it's called a froglet. It's time to put you back. The froglet begins to climb out of the water and spend time on dry land. After about 3 years, it has finished growing. Now it is an adult frog. In the spring, the adult frog looks for a mate. He croaks to get a female's attention. Croak? Croak, croak, croak. He's not the only one. The female frog lays her eggs in a safe place in the water, and the male frog fertilizes them. Next spring, we'll go looking for frog spawn again, and the frog spawn will hatch into tadpoles again, and the tadpoles will change into frogs again. It's a life cycle, a life story that goes around and around over and over again.